Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and as promised now the 3D drawing comes in picture. Now see children, I'm telling you one ras ki baat, when I'm drawing achanak se aise pa 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 karke there will be a voice. That is the ghanti of my house. Don't get scared, okay? So for that I've just taken my scale, and what we do is very lightly, we are supposed to use color pencils when we do it. We are making a page. Do you understand the meaning of a page? A page is a paper is a page. So this is the paper, and this paper is folded like that. Correct? It's folded like that. So we will have a paper like that, and we'll have to rub this part. Now I wish I could have done that. I can do that also. Yes, I can take my color pencils. So I will just open my color pencils. First we'll quickly draw a pencil in between. So okay, big scale. So we are drawing a Natraj pencil in the center, which we are going to color it later on. Okay, without the pencil, this will be the black part. This is the sharpener part. And okay, this has to be a little big. So this is a pencil which we have drawn on the paper. Now what I have done is I have taken my blue color, pencil color, and I'm drawing the margin. Actually this is red, so let us draw it red. Okay, this will be the margin, one, and there will be a double line here, correct? I'll just have to keep these aside. Am I in frame? That is more important. There will be a double line here. You all can use ball pens also to do it, children. Don't think that you all don't have pencil color, so you all cannot do the drawings. No, you all can use ball pens to do it. Okay, so this is the margin of the paper which we have made. Now we shall take our blue pencil color and draw the lines as they are visible on. We just have to skip the pencil which comes in between. So one line. There are blue lines on your papers, right? It should look like a notebook paper. Now this is the 3D drawing which I have promised. And now after this I have one more drawing. That is the peacock drawing and the parrot drawing. Okay, let me tell you, the one who has asked me to draw a parrot, I will be doing a parrot with a girl. Okay, I just don't want to do a parrot. Yaar, ekdam nanna munna sa drawing lagta I'm doing. Please, please. I will do the parrot. The parrot will be in an abstract form but with a girl. Okay, I just found it and I am going to do that. I think so. After this, let's see. It depends upon the mood also, na? An artist and his moods. Okay, so this paper folds here. So we are supposed to draw lines like that. Okay. See, now is this not looking like a notebook paper? It is. It is looking like a notebook paper. Now let this be plain, because our notebook is with the paper here and plain behind. So our notebook is like that. Now what we should do is we should quickly color the pencil first. Now to color the pencil first, what we need to do is color the top. It should look like the black and the white. You all can use any pencil of your choice. Absolutely up to you. No compulsion at all. Okay. The pencils which you love. I'm just holding my book a little tera so that I can do it properly. Please use a scale, children, because if you all don't use a scale, it is not going to come perfect. The use of scale in this drawing is essential. See, I have used a scale and I'm doing multiple lines. I'm doing multiple lines here too. Okay. So Now I'm going to fill this. The filling also I'm doing it with the scale, keeping the scale with me. I'll be doing it. Now the middle part is red in color. Have you all seen that pencil? Red, black, red, black, red, black. Oh, be very careful when you're doing it. You all can do a test paper also if you all wish. You all can go in for a test paper. See now children, what I have done, I have made these two equal size and one side is less. This is because when you hold your pencil like that, you will have two equal sides and one side will look less. So that's the reason why this is small. Don't say कि तनु आंटी को measurement पता नहीं चला तो एक छोटा कर दिया और दो बड़ा कर दिया. Okay, this will look small when it is placed like that. Now you just have to fill the color black inside and red in between. Please use pencils. You all can use ball pens. If you all use your oil pastels here, फिर मोटा मोटा काचड़ा हो जाएगा, है ना? Now I'm using my red color here. Yes, it is a little dull, but then I can't help it. I can press it and do it. Press it harder and harder and harder. So is there a white mark here or a, I don't know, let it be, whatever it is, it's okay. Now I have to do the part and then I use my skin color to do this part. Now here I'm using my oil pastels, children. Okay, so this is the Natraj pencil or whichever pencil we have made. I think so this part is white, but how do I do it? I'll have to use an acrylic color to do it if I have to do it. Okay, never mind. I will darken this part and I'll darken this part so this part will be more visible. It's the pencil, the way you make your pencil. So we have made the pencil. Now just to make the shadow of the pencil, first what we will do is color any color at the background. So which color should I take? I'm a bit confused, but let me take any color. I just took any color. Now this background needs to be colored. Now when you're doing this, be very careful. You should not enter the paper at all. So first you do your borders properly. You all can use a scale like that. See, when you're doing this, just wipe your scale, keep it here, and you all can go on this for a finished look. Correct? For a finished border. Now wipe your scale, again keep it here, and then you all can do this border. In this you all will make it very accurately. Correct? There will be not a single. Now again you have to keep on wiping it, children. It's hot. See, I've done my borders with it. Now I'll quickly color. Now this is the part which is folded, and this is the part which we are going to color purple. So we'll quickly color. This is a very simple illustration of a 3D drawing. You all can go deep into it for the realistic drawings. It's not over, children. We still need to do it. It's not over. जब तक वो घंटी की आवाज़ नहीं आएगी ना तब तक मज़ा नहीं आएगा. I'm waiting for the घंटी. Last video I was making and then there was a crow at the window. And I had to shut the video, go and drive the crow, bhagja, bhagja, bhagja. And then I started it again. You can stop everybody, but you cannot stop nature. I couldn't have told the crow, ए बाबा काय करतोस रे असं, माझा व्हिडिओ चालू आहे. I don't want to break my color. Purple color is looking too much, but then it's okay. I was not understanding. You can use green, you can use blues, but blues and greens are the colors which we usually require the most. That is why I chose the color which I require least. The colors which you haven't used in your baksa. You can use these colors now. Okay, now the shadow parts. For the shadow parts, we take our pride. Okay, now first we make this part. Okay, now two parts, this part and this part. Or we can take this part and this part in shadow. It is all dependent upon you. So I choose these two parts. So what am I doing is just putting a black line here and a black border here. We can make a burnt paper, we can make an matte wala paper, whichever paper is your choice. Now clean your hands nicely. Now what you're going to do is ragada patti, pana patte, ragada patti, a little bit of shadow part, so it has to catch your paper so that it does not tear. Okay, a little bit of ragada patti, here. The shadows फैल जाते हैं ना, we have to show that फैला हुआ shadow. Don't press it very hard, it will start looking bad. And just below the pencil, a little bit of shadow part to be done just below the pencil. So, and just a little bit of felawa part. Now you all will take your black pencil and your scale and just where the shadow starts, this is the place which you need to do darken it. Okay, just to show the shadow line. You have to show the shadow line. Similarly here, you're supposed to, why everything is coming in between chappare. Now this part you have to darken, chingat, and this part you have to darken. Your book should look like a book, your pencil should look like a pencil, बाकी सगळं चांगल्या रीतीने होणार. Correct? So this is the page which we have made, which is getting folded here. You can make lines if you wish. If you don't wish, just color it a bit with your finger to show that it's the page which is coming from behind. Tabdik, it's making noise like the Tanu auntie. Now this part has to be darkened. I've just uploaded the Shinshan video. I upload this after some time and then I will do my peacocks and whatever. I'll just search the page which has told me so many children telling me to do this, to do that, to do this. Actually, you know what, Sai Baba wala also I wish to do it, but I should not make any mistake when I'm making gods here. I get very scared, you know, when I make mistakes when I'm doing Bhagwan Ji ka drawings. So I try to avoid it. But yes, I'll make a video and if it comes nice, I will post it. If it does not come nice, forget it. It's okay. Children, see, I'm going to take my brush and make this white line before I post it. My acrylic color is not visible to me, but I'm surely going to make this white line before I post it. So I've told you that. So bye till then. Okay, I'll show you. This is a 3D drawing. After this comes the 3D illusion which someone has asked me. और फिर पता नहीं पैरट बोला है और पिकॉक बोला है और नेचर बोला और पता नहीं क्या क्या बोला है, बट आई विल ट्राई एंड कंप्लीट इट आई विल ट्राई एंड डू each and every drawing. So bye till then.